Alrighty guys, so we got some packages that we ordered. These are things that we ordered for our trip that we are going on in like a month and a half. So these are some things we ordered. So we're gonna open them up. Starting with, we have this package. This is what we got. It is a phone chest holder. I thought this would be good for when we're like walking. Yeah. There's this package. This, I believe, is some shoes. Oh. Do we see them? They're like a brownish color. Oh, it is like packaged in here. So much. All right, so we got this like portable fan. I thought this would also be good if we're at home and we take the dog in my car. I don't have vents in the back of my car very well, so getting cold air is hard. So maybe I could put this back there. It'll help, but I figured this would help when we get done at places and it's really hot in my car, just to cool us down. That's kind of the point. So those are our packages. We have more coming, so I will unbox them as we get them. Alrighty guys, so today is currently Tuesday. I just got done bathing the dogs. No. Hey. Hey. Don't eat it. Come on. Hey. Hi. Come here. Hey. Oh. Okay. Stop eating her pot. I realized that a couple days ago over the weekend, I got a message from FedEx saying that they were going to deliver a package. Keep in mind, our packages we just ordered, so I'm like, there's no way I'm that quickly. Sure enough, I got some yesterday, but I was a little confused. I'm like, I haven't ordered anything. I don't know what's coming in the mail. So today it got delivered, and here it is. It's just a thin package delivered from FedEx. I don't know why, but we're gonna open it up and see what it is, because I'm, again, not sure what the heck I ordered. Packing list. Oh, okay. Never mind. It is our National Parks Pass. raining. I did not think it was supposed to rain today. But woke up and it was raining and it's still raining. Almost a half an inch today. Jeez, I did not get it, but
she's lighting up.
alrighty guys, so today is currently Friday and I thought I would show you some Christmas edition diamond art. I did not get every single one because there's a lot of different ones and I just didn't like some of them. So I only picked up ones that I thought were my favorites. So we have this Let It Snow snowman. It's just a little tiny one. I like to do these for TikTok, so we have this little reindeer. This one, it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then we also got these gingerbread men. I'm obsessed with gingerbread men. A little bit of a smaller one. It's just a polar bear. Bookshelf, the Christmas bookshelf. I'll let you. Got the ornaments one. By the way, this is not the same size. You see the size difference? Oh, we got the more gingerbread houses. I thought that was just really cute. This one Chris wants to do. It's Joseph, Mary, and baby Jesus. But we got this house and truck. Because I did get fall ones. I don't know if I ever showed you them, but I did get them. So, stay tuned for all of our diamond art experiences. Okay.
You got a low battery.
Yeah, I know. So we're gonna make this really quick. Okay, so we have 2 packages that we got. We're gonna open them. Open them. Don't show the address. Okay. First thing.
That's tiny.
Yeah, because it's for our tiny camera. That's a tiny camera. Alright, that's the first one. Cut this one open. This is yours, so you can show them.
Packages are gone. Oh, yeah, here's all my shorts. You want me to take them out?
Yeah, show
Ooh.
them at least one pair.
Comes in a Ziploc bag.
Most clothes do nowadays, I would feel like. Kinda.
So here's one set. It's kind of a green color. It has
green color pockets on the side.
Zip pockets.
Zip pockets. It's like
hey,
waterproof.
I won't lose my phone.
Elastic waist.
Got a tan one.
Oh, they're actually bungee, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
Yeah. Got a red one.
You're gonna show every single pair, but okay.
Got a gray and a black.
For our trip, so he's gonna wear these. Maybe
There's
we'll try
our
them
ad.
on later.
Maybe.
We'll see.
She got me some more of the same Solo Leveling little guys.
Little mini figurines.
Yep. She got me 4 packs.
Alright, we are back with another Mini Brands Vinyl edition. Alright, we are back with another Mini Brands Vinyl. Alright, we are back with another Mini Brands Vinyl edition. Alright, we are back with another Mini Brands Vinyl. Let's see if we can find any new albums. Alright, let's open another Mini Brands Vinyl. We are on the hunt for 17 more albums.